In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can modify an existing domain model. As you can see, we have two entities already created, our product and our category entity. And we have a script that creates the database up to this point. Now we're going to go ahead and drag out a new domain class. We'll name it order, and then we'll go ahead and add some properties to our order object. We'll make order ID, specify that as an int. We'll add order date, and set that to a date time. And now we'll select our order ID property and set it to identity, true, to make sure we have a primary key for our order entity. Next thing we want to do is expand the mapping details editor, select our order object, and check use default mapping to go ahead and create a default mapping for our order entity. Now we'll save our model, and we're going to go ahead and create a new association between order and product by dragging the association tool from order to product. Now we'll switch to the relational view. We want a many-to-many association between products and orders, so we'll go ahead and select use join table and then select default from the drop-down to allow OpenAccess to automatically create a default join table for us. Now we're going to add a new property to our category entity. We're going to add an image URL property. So we'll add that property to the category entity. Then we want to right-click on the category, select Edit Table, and add our new column to our table. So we'll give our column a name. We'll set it to allow nulls. And now we want to go ahead and specify the type as in varchar. Click OK, and now we've created a new column in our category table. The next step is to map that new column to the new property we added in our category entity. So expand the mapping details editor, select the image URL column, and select the class property from the drop-down on the right. As you can see, we've now mapped our image URL column to our image URL property. The next step is to update our database based on our changes. For this video, we want to go ahead and create a migration script, since we've already created the database in a previous video. So when we do that, OpenAccess is going to go and compare our schema and create an update script for our database. Once again, we'll go ahead and create script and execute, and then click Finish. You can see the script executed successfully, and we expand the Solution Explorer to see that we have a new DDL script available in the Solution Explorer, and this new DDL script will migrate our database over to the current state that we have created for our domain model. As you can see, we have an alter table, we have our new table for our order entity, and we have a join table made for our order products relationship, and we've created two foreign keys and an index for our join table. So if we move over to SQL, we can see that our order products table has been created. We have our two columns created for our primary keys, and our foreign keys have also been added. In this video, we took a look at how we can modify an existing domain model. First, we added a new entity. Then we created a many-to-many relationship between our new entity and an existing entity. And then we made some modifications to our existing category entity. We finished up the example by showing you how to create a migration script for your database. Thank you for watching.